What you need to know to pass the ITIL 4 Foundation exam. What do I need to know or do to pass the ITIL 4 Foundation certification exam? The answer is easy. Get a copy of the official PeopleCert ITIL 4 Foundation syllabus. Find out what is on the exam, then study that specific information. PeopleCert creates an exam syllabus for every ITIL certification. The syllabus tells you all about the certification, how the exam is designed, the number of questions on the exam, the type of questions on the exam. It tells you the exact topics and number of related questions that will be on the exam. You also learn what score you need to pass the exam, the learning outcomes that are being tested, which pages in the official PeopleCert ebook cover each topic on the exam, and finally, which questions are basic recall and which ones require understanding and comprehension. Ultimately, it has nothing to do with how many or which practice exams you take. It's about knowing what's on the test, learning what's on the test, and then taking the PeopleCert sample exams to test your knowledge. Study, prepare, take the sample exam, and grade it. Then you study what you missed so you can answer questions on that topic. The official sample exams include answers and rationales for each answer. Take the second sample exam and do the same thing. Then when you're ready, take the official exam. It is all about knowing what is on the exam and then learning it so you can answer questions correctly and pass. We hope this is helpful. Please join us in the Reddit ITIL certification group to stay on top of everything PeopleCert and ITIL and certification. Thank you.